Japan became a symbol of pacifism after the end of Second World War, but now it is militarizing its islands, signaling a strategic shift. So what is driving this move towards defense buildup and regional assertiveness? Japan's territorial claims extend beyond its main islands, covering strategic outposts near China and the Taiwan Strait. These islands include the Senkaku Islands, currently a flashpoint in Sino-Japanese relations, the militarized Ishigaki Island, and now the potentially fortified Yonaguni Island. Yonaguni Island, located just 110 kilometers away from Taiwan, is now home to Japan's ground self-defense forces, tasked with intercepting enemy communications. Plans are also underway to deploy surface-to-air missiles, further heightening security concerns in the region. Yonaguni Island has also become a focal point of electronic warfare between China and Japan. Japanese troops stationed on the island are equipped to intercept communications and jam radar systems, adding a new layer of complexity to the regional security landscape. Then there are Nansei Islands, a chain of 100 islands stretching close to Taiwan. They also hold significant strategic importance for Japan. Okinawa, the largest of these islands, played a crucial role in World War II and remains vital today. Recently, Japan deployed surface-to-ship missiles on Okinawa, aiming to deter Chinese naval movements. As China's footprints in the region grows, Japan is responding by significantly ramping up its military capability, with strong backing from the US and its allies. This intensification is underscored by the deep and turbulent history of conflict between China and Japan, adding layers of tension to an already volatile situation. As both nations escalate their military investment, the region finds itself in a precarious arms race. The possibility of preemptive actions further compounds the risk, making the prospect of a larger conflict all the more likely.